already put the prompts and you have the prompts ready to run the cells, but sometimes we may have some errors that you cannot that will not allow you to go to the next steps. So the majority of the prompts, normally we see the red line here. That means that there is some error in the prompts. The first thing that you need to be sure about is that there is a comma after every prompt, but the last prompt shouldn't have, or it shouldn't have, but sometimes it works, so it's not a problem. But the most important thing is the comma in the other prompt. So maybe the comma, maybe the quotation work. So be sure that you have everything there and you have the comma and the prompt. And if, let's say, you copy paste the prompts from a ready-made list like this one, be sure that you copy the right prompts in the right place without deleting anything in the prompts formats, because as you can see in here, it's kind of code, but once you have any malfunction, the code will not work. So be sure, please, that uh, you have all the prompts following the real and the good format. So sometimes you may forget also you may have some problems with the time frame. So you can, instead of putting in each prompt the time frame necessary, you may put, for example, zero and here zero, and you didn't change anything. So the both or the code will start with randomly with any prompt. So be sure that you have your right time frames in every prompt. So this is the most famous error regarding the prompts. So you have the comma, you have the signs, you have the process, you have the time frame. So before anyway, even if you want to go to the next step, if there is a problem like this, for example, and you try to run the cell, you cannot, because it gives you and it tells you where is the problem. So when you see something like this, it means that it's the one before the prompts where there is the red line. So just put the comma and then try and run again the cell. It will work.